Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green shaded right triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that its side length AB is 13 units. And bear in mind that all these side lengths of this triangles are positive integers. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus once again on this green shaded triangle ABC. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded triangle, and now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And here we can see this BC side is the base of this triangle, whereas this AB is the height of this triangle. And we can see our height is 13 units. So therefore now our task is to calculate the base of this triangle. And in this next step, I am going to label this side of this triangle as lowercase a, this side lowercase b, and this hypotenuse as our side lowercase c. And bear in mind that all these side lengths a, b, and c are going to be our positive integers. And since we are dealing with this right triangle, so therefore we are going to recall the Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. And here c is our hypotenuse, whereas a and b are our two other legs. And now we know our a value is 13, so I'm going to substitute a value 13 over here. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So we got 13 square plus b square equal to c square. So therefore we are ended up with 169 plus b square equal to c square. And now I'm going to move this b square on the other side. So therefore we could write c square minus b square equals to 169. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now let's recall this famous identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. In other words, the difference of two squares is always the product of the sum and the difference. And we are going to apply this identity on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore the left hand side is going to become c plus b times c minus b equals to 169. And now let's make an observation. We can see we got the product of two factors on the left hand side. So we are going to break this 169 into the product of two factors as well. So the first option could be 13 times 13, isn't it? And on the left hand side, we know that c plus b is bigger than c minus b. So therefore this scenario is not feasible since these numbers are equal. So therefore the other possibility is 169 times 1. And we can see that 169 times 1 is going to be perfectly alright with us. It's going to work. So therefore we can write c plus b times c minus b is going to be equal to 169 times 1. So that means this c plus b is going to be equal to 169 and c minus b equals to 1. So therefore we can write c plus b equals to 169. The other one is C minus B equals to 1. And now we are going to add these two equations. If we add them, minus b and plus b, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with the 2c equal to 170. And now I am going to divide both sides by 2. So therefore our c value simply turns out to be 85. And we could see that 85 is indeed is a positive integer. And in this next step, I am going to subtract this second equation from the first one. And we are going to switch the sign, positive become negative, negative become positive, and positive become negative as well. So therefore we can see this positive c and negative c, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with the 2 times b equals to 168. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate b. So therefore our lowercase b value simply turns out to be 84 units. And now let's make an observation. We can see this side b is indeed a positive integer as well. So thus our b value turns out to be 84 and c value is 85. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle ABC. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this green shaded triangle is 84, whereas the height is 13 units. So therefore, this green shaded triangle area is going to be a half times the base is 84 times the height is 13. And if we simplify and multiply, that is going to give us 546 square units, the area of this green shaded triangle ABC. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded triangle turns out to be 546 square units. In other words, the area of this triangle is going to be 546 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.